The MediClean AP 700, an air scrubber designed for the unique needs of educational environments. The work you do shapes the world we live in. But that world is changing. Clean air has become a primary health and safety concern. The AP 700 is built for today's classroom, with features designed to improve efficiency and safety. Every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure the most rigorous standards are met for better quality air that helps contain the spread of airborne diseases, dust, fumes, and other harmful particulates. To help avoid contamination while moving or maintaining the AP 700, antimicrobial additives in the unit's housing inhibit the growth of bacteria and mildew. UV light has been used to kill bacteria for more than a century. Other air scrubbers that utilize UVC direct the light at the outlet of the filter for only a fraction of a second on already clean air. The AP 700 may be the world's first and only air scrubber to direct UVC on the inlet of the filter, resulting in far greater exposure times for a substantially more effective process. The unique positioning of the lights also makes it safer for handling and reduces the chance that viruses or bacteria will re-enter the airspace, which further reduces their exposure to workers. And to achieve unparalleled performance for cleaner air, the AP 700 meets DOP test standards with a provided True HEPA filter. Use the AP 700's activated carbon filter when fumes or wildfire smoke causes discomfort for students and workers. The carbon filter removes smoke and noxious odors from the air quickly. The unit's adjustable settings, controlled from an intuitive interface, allow users to reduce the fan speed for quieter operation when needed. But perhaps best of all for facility managers, download our Command Center Pro app to remotely monitor and control all your facility's units via Wi-Fi and stay a step ahead without needing to disturb. Protect your staff and the students they serve by improving indoor air quality with the MediClean AP 700.